Oh.
This is the Orgain box. I am an ambassador, so this is what they sent me. It should all be vegan stuff, so let's see what it is. Okay, so we have some plant-based protein powder, vanilla bean, and creamy chocolate fudge. Oh, I'm so excited. 21 grams protein each. So I believe this is just one sample, one serving size. All right, next we have 2 of these organic nutrition vegan protein shakes, 16 grams vanilla bean, and this one's also 16 grams and smooth chocolate flavor. So definitely pumped for that. Next we have the protein shake vegan, of course, smooth chocolate. All right, this looks good. So I'm definitely excited to try that. And it's not a reduced calorie food, just so you know. So let's take a look. It has 150 calories per container. So USDA organic. All right. Oh my gosh, these look awesome. I've never seen these before. Orgain blueberry almond, 12 grams protein bar, plant-based. So it has almonds, blueberries, chia, dates. This one is chocolate almond sea salt. Ooh. Cocoa, almonds, chia, and dates. Wow, these look delicious. Can't wait to try those. And then I think I have a reusable tote. But first, protein. Okay. Definitely going to use that. And then just a little bit of welcome to the family. Okay. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.